People often say to me, trading, isn't that the same as gambling? It's pretty much the same thing, right? And the truth is, if you don't know what you're doing in trading, then it is no different to gambling. There's really not much difference then. Most people just take a punt and they tend to lose in trading. But the reality is, if you know what you're doing, then trading is vastly different to gambling. For example, let's say you are betting on a horse race and your horse is doing badly and you're seeing it's coming around the track, not doing well at all. Well, then you're basically stuck and you're tied in there until the end of the race. Whereas with trading, assuming you've got a method that tells you when to buy and sell, when the odds are in your favor, if you still see that it's not working out, you can take that trade off at absolutely any time and lose just a fraction of your original bet based on a stop loss. Whereas with gambling, be it horse racing, be it casinos, any type of gambling, once you've got your bet on, you're basically stuck there until the game is over, and then you either make or you lose the whole lot. So with trading, you only need to risk a small percentage, and if it's not working out, you can take that trade off straight away. It's kind of like if you were betting on a horse race and you wait until the race starts, and then you see when the horse is coming to the final bend that the horse that you like is 5 lengths ahead of the second placed horse and increasing the distance. Then you decide to put on your bet. That's kind of how correct trading is. And even then, if your horse, for some reason, in the last few strides, starts bombing out, you can still take off your trade before the end of the race. So trading is very different to gambling in that regard. And of course, with correct trading, it goes without saying that you would only want to enter a trade when the odds are very much stacked in your favor based on the trading system or method that you're using, that only enters when the odds are very much in your favor. If you are not managing your risk correctly in trading, if you don't have a decent entry method and exit method, then it is practically speaking no different to gambling. In that case, rather go to a casino, you get free drinks and you don't pay commissions in a casino. So if you are going to trade, do it correctly or don't do it at all. That's the best advice I can give you.